When we're talking, we are always talking about innovating and constantly bettering ourselves and what we're doing with Circadia, but science and innovation in general is something that we talk about quite a bit, not only for our formulations, but also for the company in general. What does science and innovation mean to you as far as a formulator is concerned?
I think as a company as a whole, innovation needs to be a focal point to stay on top of trends, number one, but also staying true to who you are and staying true to the concept is also extremely important. So it's finding that balance and making sure that we're staying on the cutting edge, staying on the cusp, but also making sure we stay with the track of who we are as a company. That being said, of course, as a skincare manufacturer, there's never any shortage of new technology, new innovations that are on the horizon. I'm a member of the Society of Cosmetic Chemists. My grandfather was as well. He introduced me to the group many years ago. So we are in a position to be able to introduce new technology, introduce new formulations on a regular basis to not only our partners, but to the industry as a whole. And that also gives us a very strategic advantage. I think one of the things, again, that our partners really enjoy is the fact that we always have something new coming out. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a brand new product. It can be a new ingredient that we're highlighting. It can be something that we're introducing to an already existing formulation. It could be a new protocol. It could be Circadia University. This was an innovation that we created together as a company, as a team. And that also helped to create just kind of a new perspective in the industry on how information and education should be shared. So I think it's extremely important to be an innovative company as a whole, but there are many ways to continue to innovate.
Mm-hmm. And when we think science, and when we talk about science and nature and perfect rhythm and science and innovation, it doesn't always just mean peptides, stem cells, medical. There is a nice science to our environment and natural botanicals that are grown, but within our formulations, there's a lot of science that is peppered into everything.
Yes. It's funny because I think about this a lot, and almost all roads lead back to circadian rhythms. And when I look at different trends, I think about, there's a thread there of circadian rhythm function, right? When we look at repair mechanisms, when there's a new DNA repair product, the body is engaging in natural DNA repair mechanisms. Or if there's a new peptide that's designed to stimulate a particular protective mechanism. So I'm always looking how things relate back to circadian rhythm, and it's particularly gratifying now to look at ingredient technology and see how the ingredient manufacturers, not just Circadia as a manufacturer, but the ingredient manufacturers are also highlighting circadian rhythm function. So that part of the science-nature combination, which it speaks for itself, just making its way into the technology, into the conversation is just so gratifying now.
And that leads to, I think, what a lot of our providers really appreciate is they're all so results driven. If you are using one of our products for 30 days, 45 days, you will see a physical change and result in the skin. And that's something that really helps to back them when they're doing their retail sales that, we are going to deliver results.
Absolutely. Really, what do the professionals want? What is an esthetician looking for when they're selecting product? They need to have the performance, right? So the results need to be there ultimately, and that's really backed by the science, and we can track that back to, again, the ingredients that we're using individually and how we're combining those ingredient technologies into a performance-driven formula. But it's always nice to have the natural element and to be able to incorporate into some of those formulas as well, as long as we're getting the results that we're looking for.